Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we got how to run the programs on Python prompt, that is Python editor. So now today in the session, we are going to learn the function called as input function. Before going to the input function, we need to discuss some points here. We need to discuss some points. What do you mean by the input? That is the information given to the computer. Input in the sense what information we are going to give to the input as a information to the computer, it is known as input. That may be a clicking the mouse. How I am going to provide the how I am going to provide the input in the sense by clicking the mouse I can, by speaking, that I am giving now, I'm giving my voice to the camera. That camera is capturing the voice, that is receiving the voice, then it is converting into the digital signals, then it will be converted into what we call analog signals when it reaches to you people. So what I am giving, that is known as input. To accept the input, some programming languages are having some functions. C is having the scanf that receives the input from the keyboard. That receives the input from the keyboard. Java olagade buffer reader is there. Buffer reader. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right, my dear students? So input may come from the audio by clicking, by entering the text, by the what we call fingerprints on the head, you know. Then by the audio, this all are the input. Whenever you are going to write, whenever you are going to type the text, how Python is going to accept the text from you people. There are more ways. Keyboard inputs anta bandaga ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು Python ಒಳಗಡೆ? That is keyboard inputs in the sense, if I want to give the input from the keyboard, how can I serve? You all are know previous session tana nimge ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I am going to assign the value a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b, print a plus b is comma c. This is what a program. This is what a Python program. A is equal to b, b is equal to 20, a plus b is equal to 30. That is c is holding a 30. This is what a function. The question arises, yes, I am assigning these values at a program time. That is writing a program. When I am going to write the program, that time I am going to give the values. If you want to modify this value and this value in the sense, ಎರಡು values ಅನ್ನು manage ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಏನೊಂದು change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you need to modify the variables by opening the program only. A dynamic, that is a runtime, ಯಾವಾಗ program run ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ values change ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It is a static. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, whenever you are going to open the program, then whole program is going to modify. at the run time ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಈ ತರ, ಎಂಟರ್ a and b values. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ 20 plus 10 ಅಂತ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸಾರಿ ಕಾಣಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 20 and 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ, the result is ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it is assigned values at the program time. Whenever you are going to write a program, that time you are going to assign the values. What about a runtime, sir? How can I assign the runtime? How can I give the values to the program at runtime? When na heng kodli input anna program run aguvaga heng kodbeku. there, but Python 3 supports a function which accepts the value from the keyboard. Lakshya, underline this word, which accept the inputs from the keyboard, not a mouse. Yes, what happened? So whenever you are going to take a mouse, keyboard, there are different kinds of functions are there. Now we are going to learn an input function. This will help us in further branching programs and iterations. To write a programs for branching programs and iteration ಗೆ functions ಅನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಏನೊಂದು program ಅನ್ನು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ help ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. I hope it is clear. What I discussed, if you want to receive a keyboard inputs, you need to use a input function. Initially, the basic in we are learning like this, assigning the values in the program, assigning the values in the, what do we call, at a dynamic, that is at a compilation time. Okay, now runtime ಒಳಗಡೆ values ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ input function ಅನ್ನು use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax? Let me so how input function is written? Input function is a function. Definition: input function is a function which accepts the input from text keyboard in the form of text. Or else you can modify the definition like this: input function is a function, it is used to accept a text from the user. Accept a text from the user. It contains optional values here, optional parameters. That is how to write input so I'll write input is a function parameter What do you mean by this, sir? What do you mean by this? Syntax I'm writing here. Syntax, it asks for 2 marks. It may ask for 2 marks. Parameter, input function of the parameter. What you enter here, the object or a value, whatever you are going to enter here, the parameter will be accept that one. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕದು? ಎಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Then where it is going to store? That is, it is going to store in variable. A variable. So according to the syntax, I am going to write an example here. Let us take the example. Example anta bandaga, the variable will be anything here. Assume that number, input, enter a number. So what happens here? See, ನೀವು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ in the line. So what I got a message here. Is it an input function? Yes. ಈ input function ಬಂದಾಗ program ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. It will stop there. When it got a line, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. I am an interpreter now. I executed this line, then I came here, I see the input. There I need to stop. there I need to stop. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? until user enters the value. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ನಾನು ನಿಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್, if you see the red signal, you will stop until the green signal comes. Okay, sometimes green signal, before green signal you cannot move further. So like that, input function will stop the interpreter to print further because it needs a value from the user. It needs the value from the user. So whenever user is going to give the value from the keyboard, it is going to further process. After in madati, if I enter a 30 on the prompt, this 30 will be carried by this parameter. The input parameter that will be stored on this. What I need to next? Print the number you entered. The number you entered is num. That is, it will print output as illodri enagiruತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I came here, I am the interpreter. I got a variable num. Then I will move here. That is the input is there. Input in the sense I have to wait up to I get a response from the user. When user enters the 30, I will accept it and it will be stored on num. Next, print statement is there. Next line print statement. What I need to print? I will print the number you entered. Comma is there. After the comma, num. What is the value in num? That is 30. I will write 30 here. I'm the interpreter now. This is how the input function is going to work. Is it clear to you? Raise your hand if it is clear. Now we will execute that program which we written in the board by sharing the screen. Wait for a while. Input function is there. Share. Okay, my dear students, I think you all are getting the screen. I think so. Are you getting? Raise your hands. Are you getting the screen now? Yes, well, I'm going to run the program now. What I need a variable. I will take num, or else we'll run the different program here. We'll run two programs. Name. What I'm going to type here? Name equal to input. I will enter your name. I'm going to close it. Next line, print hi. See here. The name is holding what you entered the value. ನೀನ್ enter ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತಿ ಅದನ್ನ hold ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ hi. I told that plus is going to overloaded. The plus is going to overloaded in two types. One is concatenation, another one is addition. Now the part comes here. I am going to concat your name plus welcome. Now control S. I will run the module. So run module. 1 second. I will share the screen. Here. Is it looking? Enter your name. Is it looking to you people? If it is not, ಅದೇನ್ರಿ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದತ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಾಣಕತ್ತೋ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಲ್ I'll stop the sharing here. Okay, let me share that screen which I got the output. Let me share the screen. Now it is looking. Raise your hands. Now it is looking. Raise your hands if it is looking. Enter your name. Yes. So I am going to enter my name here. What I am going to enter? Raghu. R-A-G-H-U. Raghu. Enter. Hi Raghu, welcome. The output is here. Give some space. The Raghu will become here. Okay. Hi Raghu, welcome. So what I did here. ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. That is a input function. It will wait until you give the input. It will wait until it give the input. You give the input. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Raise your hand if it is clear. Raise your hand if it is clear. I will show the error. Definitely I will show the error. Okay. Yes. I'm going to suggest you that input is an inbuilt function. Am I right? Input is the inbuilt function in the Python. While you are giving the name to the program, while you are giving underline this statement, underline this session, while you are going to give the name for file, that is a program ಅನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, that should be a different one. It should not be inbuilt. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ input.py ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ it won't accept and your Python ID will not be open until you delete that one. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದೇ ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಿದ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, input.py ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಆ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಐಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ನೀವು ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನ. ಯಾವುದು input.py ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನ, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ನೇಮ್. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. if.py ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, and.py ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಇಫ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್, ಅವನ್ನ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದ damage, that will cause the error. Until you remove that program, the Python ID will not support to you people. Okay, I'll make the video because the time is running. I need to execute the program. I need to show some to you, something to you people now. Okay, I'll share the screen once again. Wait for a while. We'll run the second. Well, my dear students, hope you got the class. I think so. Hope you got the class. I stopped the recording. So I will upload the video with it. I will run the same programs and I will upload the video along with this one. Okay, sorry for that recording stop agidukku. Well, my dear students, time is running out. I think today's session is interesting and clear with you people. All are clear with the things? Raise your hands. Is there any doubt? All are clear with the things? Well,